Hey, what's up, you guys? Jeff, the happy Canadian here. Just came back from a tough day. Today we said goodbye to my grandfather, who lived 91 years. We said goodbye to my grandpa. We also said goodbye to my father, who passed away in January. We had a celebration of life for my dad back in January, but we have had to wait because of COVID, and we also had to wait because of the weather, because back in January it was still winter. It's been tough today. It's been a tough day. We weren't able to bring the girls because right now they're slowly reopening things for funerals. So the funeral was 20 and under, and we had to make sure that we can have the cousins, the aunts, uncles, and my grandfather's family. So yeah, we're just back here at my mother-in-law's house. We've just picked up the girls who have been away. They've been having a fun day. Oh, where's Emily? There's Emily. Emily and Abigail have been here with Grandma, helping Grandma do chores. You guys did chores today, and they did swimming. Oh, yeah. All right, well, I'll put you there. So they've had a good day. What did you guys do today?
Nothing.
You missed Mommy and Daddy today? Yeah, it's been tough for them. They've missed us a lot today. Miss my little babies. So I was telling them when I just showed them in the car. Okay, come over here. Let's sit you in your seat, or sit in Abigail's seat for a second. There. There, you can stand right beside me. So what we did today after the ceremony, or after the service, I don't know why I said ceremony. After the service, we headed up to the cemetery, and we'd had a little service there. We put my grandfather's casket with my dad in the little like holding thing, and we laid a flower on the casket. So I laid one down for myself and Kathy, and then one on the casket for the girls, Abigail and Emily. And then afterwards, after everyone put the flower on the casket, we got to pick a couple flowers to bring home. So we brought a couple that we have for the girls. And Abigail has a couple flowers that you want to add to those ones as well, to add some color. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. That one fell. There we go. Oh, those look very pretty. Don't dump it, don't dump it, don't dump it, don't dump it. Are you trying to feed the tree? Don't dump it. That's water. It's very hot. In Guelph, I did a slow-mo video of some rain. We got stuck in the rain. Mommy and Daddy were eating our lunch in the car at this park that Daddy used to go to all the time when I was little. And it poured. It started thundering and lightning.
We saw you.
Yeah, Mommy made a video.
Outside.
I was outside in the rain.
You got yourself so.
Yeah, it was so hot. It felt so nice to get wet and like get refreshed. So I'm glad I had a change of clothes, which I'm in right now. I'm actually wearing my Hello the Internet Gives a Minute shirt. There we go. Props to Gives a Minute. There you are. Go subscribe to Gives a Minute. Yeah, so we had our lunch in the rain. It was amazing. We saw some there were babies, but they were bigger babies. They were like teenager babies. At the park where Mommy and Daddy were eating our lunch in.
What were they?
Canada geese.
Canada geese babies?
Yeah.
I do Canada geese.
And, uh-oh. But yeah, like I said, we're here now. We're picked up the kids. Kathy's coming with her backpack. And we're on our way home. We got to go pick up. And thank you guys so much for watching this. I know it's only 5 minutes, but I do appreciate it. Abigail, please stop. I guess she's giving the plant some water. All right, we're heading home. Emily, want to say peace? There we go. We'll see you guys. Be happy, stay happy, be safe. This is Jeff, the happy Canadian, saying bye for now. This is what happens when you don't get rain in, like, you haven't had rain in a week and you've been having 40-degree temperatures. You get hit with a massive rainstorm, thunder and lightning. Oh my goodness. We might lose power. The wind is just blowing it, like it's going all around. Oh, it's falling over. Thank goodness I put that up. It's like a mini rain tornado.
Daddy? Daddy?
Yeah?
I'm seeing lightning and I'm not even doing anything. Daddy, it's because now I'm 7 and I'm not scared at all. Your shirt's getting wet.
I know. Kind of feels like a rain tornado. I already said that. Whoop. I'm surprised it hasn't. The trees are just blowing.
Abigail, wow, that's a big one. Oh, Mother Nature. What the heck, Mother Nature?
Mother Nature's angry because we haven't had rain. It's been hot.
And,
Look, now it's going to slow down.
Daddy, why is she so, Daddy, when it was like nice and warm and hot, she was happy, but now she's sad and mad.
Yep.
She's sad and so mad because it was so hot.
The grass needs it.